Sometime in the exam, you'll be asked to use your calculator to calculate standard form. What is standard form? Standard form is x times 10 to the power of something, whereby x is between 1 and 10. For example, x can be 4, 3, 6.5, 6.2, 1.3, 2.4. So there's a lot of possible value of x. They just have to be between 1 and 10. And we can just use our calculator to calculate it. So how do we do this? There's two ways. I will show you both, but I will just use the second way because it will look more normal on your calculator. So first question, we bracket 4. Now this one is the standard form times 10 to the power of x. We can press this, then you will see times 10. Then you can just press the power 4, close bracket, times bracket 3, or the second format, you can just press times, then power 10 to the power of 3. Then you can close bracket, and you can press equal. So you will have 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, if the question did not ask you to leave your answer in standard form, you can just leave your answer as this format. But most of the time, they will ask you to leave your answer in standard form. So how do we write it in standard form? Very easy. The decimal place is here. So we move the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this will be 1.2 times 10 to the power of 8. So for the second question, we can just do the same thing. Bracket 3 times 10 to the power of 4 negative, or negative 4. Negative is here. And press 4. Then we need to move to the right and close bracket. Times open bracket 4 times 10 to the power of 6. Then remember to close bracket, and we'll get 1200. And to write it as standard form, we move the decimal 1, 2, 3. So it will be 1.2 times 10 to the power of 3. Now, you can always check your answer if you are not sure. So how do we check the answer? We just press 1.2 times 10 to the power of 3. So it is identical to the answer that we have written. Then check whether we get back our answer of 1200. If we get back the same value, that means we have written it or convert to the standard form correctly. The next question, 6.5 times 10 to the power of 3. Oh, I forgot the bracket. But to be honest, it doesn't really matter, but it's just good habit to put the bracket. Times open bracket 2.4 times 10 to the power of 5. Then close bracket equal. So you must be careful because there's a lot of 0. 156 0 0 0. Then 4 more 0. Double check. Then to write it as standard form, we move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 1.56 times 10 to the power of 9. Okay, finally for last question, be careful because it is plus. So bracket times 10 power 6 close bracket, then plus. Remember the question is plus, we must write plus instead of times. Open bracket 1.3 times 10 to the power of 5 close bracket equals 633, then 4 more 0, and to write them in standard form, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be equals to 6.33 times 10 to the power of 6. So this is how you use calculator to calculate standard form question. But just keep in mind that this standard form will look weird. So most of the time I will just write the number, then times 10, then power to whatever. It can be -5 or something. Then there we go. Alright,